All right, big day.
Looking forward to it.
Jimmy Richmond's going to pick up the motor for the Acadian, which is super, super, super exciting for me. You're going to get to see it on the dyno, and guess how much horsepower it makes. Let's go have a look. Do, 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 do.
Going in?
Yeah. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Look at that. We're all smiles here today. He says
We're
like
pretty
that.
excited today.
Oh, it's awesome there. How's it going?
Woohoo!
How's the drive?
It was excellent.
Nice. What's new?
Same.
Oh, sorry.
Look at that. Oh, we're just going to snoop around here.
It's okay, buddy. What's happening, buddy? Any shooting lately? No. What do you mean? Come on. No. Come on. It's too cold. I want to put some more stuff in your way here.
It's my buddy Clint.
Hi.
Jim. There we go.
Put the magnet right over to that
Oh,
room.
we're going right over there.
Magnetic.
Bucky's car, right?
Hey, Killer Kustoms. Those are old jerseys.
Oh, shit, I should have brought you one, shouldn't I?
What do you got? Like a crate of them?
No, we don't. I'll tell you that story in a minute, but I'll make sure they're coming.
Awesome. I gotta run. You gotta run. Oh, hey. Hey.
Oh, fuck. Ka-chow. Check that out. Okay. So the idea behind the Acadian, when we switched from the LS to this 409, one of my good buddies had this 409 block kicking around, so I get to have his engine in my car forever. But also the idea was to make it a bubble top, 4-speed 409 car. And then you're kind of picturing, oh, that should be a really cool Impala, but no, it's actually my little Pontiac Acadian. So there you go, kind of a play on the mindset, but also something really, really cool for that generation of car and something super special. So, who wants to see a 409 instead of an LS in that car? Thumbs up to that. I think she's gonna make a little noise. And we're gonna put her in the truck. So let me go find out about that. Wow. Any guesses on horsepower? You're gonna have to stick around another 5 minutes to find out.
That's fucking awesome.
Now, if you want here, JF,
Mhm.
we can do this, and I would shorten the test up, but I'm going to open the doors up
Yep.
over here.
Yep.
There's a set of, is there a set of headphones right there? Because it does get a bit, right there.
Yep.
Grab those.
Sure.
And I'm not going to run it right up. I'm just kind of running on it, kind of
Okay.
like that.
Yep.
Just as a business end of things.
Yep.
Okay, it's a bit loud.
Yeah, that's good.
Okay, we've never touched it's dry. It's dry.
Yeah.
I am fussy. I'll be more anal than anybody. Because it's just a lot of work by everybody. You know what I mean? Like, you have to appreciate the effort that goes in from everybody. It's not just about one piece and rah, rah, rah. Look at me, I built a motor. So, you know, you got a beautiful car there. You know, there's a person out there that wants that kind of stuff, and it's important.
Oh,
You know what
yeah.
I mean? And I think right now, even in our industry, we should be more focused on the clients that we have that can afford to do this stuff and make sure they're happy.
Well, it's a changing industry.
Absolutely. Totally.
Quickly changing, so we
But
yeah,
it's a
we
good
got to
industry.
celebrate.
You know
It
what
is.
I mean?
Yeah,
Like,
yeah.
you can spend your whole life doing this stuff, and it's very good. And I
We've
think
met
a lot of people get sidetracked a little bit, thinking that, you know, they look at the value of a car, and it's like almost looking at a house that is worth X, Y, Z, and they think it's all about that, but it's not.
It's
You know
not.
what I mean? Like,
It just isn't, for sure.
Yeah.
I'd rather see people happy with stuff and get their projects completed so that they can enjoy it and work on that. I think that's the #1 focus nowadays. I really
would
do
say.
believe that.
I would say.
Right there. Love it.
What a great day. Christmas all over again.
Oh, you get them and I don't.
Love it. A little bit of that action there. That's my favorite. Beautiful. Awesome.
Tim, over the last couple of years, you and I have talked quite a bit about our kids and our lives and what cars mean to us.
Yes.
The one thing that makes this even cooler is I'm kind of rushing home. My son's told me he wants to go work elsewhere. Doesn't want to work for Dad anymore. So I am rushing home to get him to do all the polish work, all the grinding, because he said, Dad, I want to make sure I do that. So when we go to California together, that'll be my engine in your car. And I'm like, that is so awesome. So yeah, another little go with Calvin. I'm super blessed to have him doing that.
That is what
So it's going to be really, really neat.
Spend time with your family in these projects.
Oh, yeah.
It's worth more than the money.
Exactly.
It means the world to me that he actually wanted to stick around just long enough to be a part of something that's special for both of us.
They're growing up and they're going their own ways too, and it's nice to have them be part of something like that that you can join later and get together.
Exactly.
You know, look back and say, I did something.
Yeah.
It's the same with the people that are here too. These guys have been here a long time.
Yeah.
And you know,
and they take a lot of pride in it.
A lot of stuff. I mean, I was building race motors here for Kyle's dad when he was 2 years old.
Wow.
And Kyle became an employee, and now he's your head machinist.
Yeah, he's the guy.
So big shout out to Kyle.
It is.
Thanks, Kyle.
Yeah, like that.
Wait till he sees it all decked out. It's going to be a very beautiful engine.
The car looks wonderful too.
Yeah.
You're doing a hell of a job.
Thanks. Okay, well,
let's get the
let's get us home. It's a big drive home, so we're going to get this thing.
Get him ready to do some grinding.
All right, Calvin, she's on you. Let's get this thing home.
Hey, doesn't matter which coil you run with an MSD. 64. I got a 6425 in my race car, an MSD box, and MSD. I've got just a blaster 2 in there, and MSD is telling me no, you got to put a bigger coil in there. It's not.
It is important. You've got to follow through with what they're asking for. There has been a lot of coil issues lately and stuff, and it's a very tricky problem to figure out. It's not easy. So, I would say follow what they're saying. This just takes an 8203 black. This is a ready to run, so it's pretty straight. We've already recurved it, but it's a pretty straightforward setup. Nice because you only need one wire.
Right.
It's very simple. You're not mounting things on your firewall or whatever. But one thing you want to watch too with your coil where it's mounted in your car too, because that coil wire gets awful long. It's being used a lot. Some guys have that isolator that comes through the firewall where it becomes 2 wires.
Right.
That's dangerous. I mean, you just got to be on top of it.
Right. My coil's on the firewall very close to the distributor.
Yeah. I would, you know what, I would run the one they would say to run just because, you know what I mean, but you do want to be careful of it.
That's so many people I've talked to have said that, like, just HEI stock coils in the HEI is more than enough for an MSD box.
I would say yes to that, but just be mindful because you can run into some issues. We've probably seen 2 or 3 coil problems this year, and probably in the last 2 years, probably 10 different problems.
Oh.
This year I've seen it twice.
Is that
Gentlemen that just walked through the door.
Offshore stuff.
Yeah.
right?
Yeah. So be careful.
Next question.
What happens when the coil goes bad?
Yeah.
You think you're acting up with fuel and you chase the carburetor. It's the worst problem you can ever have because it's hard to figure out.
But how do you know
It's
when
a
the
little bit
coil's
intermittent.
That's the
bad?
problem.
How do you know?
You just change it.
Well, you can test them too, but the problem is I would say just put the right one on that they're recommending and start there. It's the safest place to start.
Is that right, eh?
I know some of that stuff's not cheap
Oh,
anymore.
fuck, coil. The one they want me to put on $413 or something?
But, you know, that's a hang on, I'm going to ask Mr. Brian. Yes,
Oh, really?
But they're in Portland.
Really?
Yes.
They're not in Chicago. I've ordered stuff from Chicago Corvette.
It's coming from Portland.
Anyway, I got 3 or 4 of those carbs.
If you don't mind, I mean, I'm a horse trader. Like, if you need a little something, I can help you
Yeah.
out. Like, I don't. It's just that some people think they're worth $1 million, and it's more about backing in the yard, eh? And oh my God, she went fucking crazy. And it
You
was
want me to move my
holy
truck?
Fuck, I'll buy you 3. You know what I mean? Like, and my older brother went to school with her ex. Like, I mean, it was all. They were nice. I mean, she was obviously going through some challenges in her marriage or whatever. Because she used to always invite me over for dinner when you're outside barbecue. Her mom and like wonderful people, but it was just funny how, and her kids have all grown up now, and they're probably 4 years old. But it was just funny how a person that was never really into stuff,
So
she's found happiness, so I'm happy.
yeah, it's good.
You know.
Do you know Brad Braxondale?
Yeah. He's Poco guy.
He's got a
Yeah,
good system
he
in
lives
place,
up in
obviously.
Oliver now. I've got to know him over the last couple of years, and he's helping me with my race car and that. So then, what about? I don't know Nick's last. Flowtech had 290s on there. Anyhow, he said, "Oh, this thing's gonna be fucking 800 horse."
No.
I took it down the fucking track, and my old car is a '79 Camaro, 350, 100 shot of nitrous. My daughter races it now.
Nice.
She runs 690 in it in the 8th mile.
Good for her.
Me, the money that I spent on this fucking motor, I ran a 712 in the 8th mile. I'm thinking, this is not fucking good. This is not good.
So this is
Perfect. I think that's fine. Oh, Jesus. Sorry about that.
it's good. I'd recommend. But whatever, you're in there now. Just kind of be mindful of that.
Yeah.
290. I don't know how many cubes you got.
It's a 454, 30 over.
Okay, so
And it's got.
brought the other ones back and talked to them that were for this here, but they just need a little tiny bit of love. Away you go.
Right.
Are you Dominator or something like that on?
Yeah, 850.
Yeah, good. You're there. I mean,
Yeah.
It's surprising sometimes when you have stuff how much you can make out of something if you just got the fucking right shit. And I'm not talking desktop dyno. I'm just talking.
Anyhow, Slick Nick's coming down next week. I'm going to throw a 200 shot of nitrous to it. And run it for this year, and then maybe talk to you in the fall.
But just keep it simple. Don't
Simple,
try to
yeah.
reinvent the wheel.
No, I'm
you
not
don't
gonna.
have to like that. I mean, you'll see my buddy. You'll see him dug out there. He's got a silver Nova. It's with a black stripe. Says Yanko on it. He's just a dude. He's a dirt racer.
Right.
You know, if you tell him that cam sounds like out of a sprint car or something, you're like, how the fuck did you know that? You know what I mean? Fuck with him. He's a good guy to fuck with. I mean, fun people.
Yeah.
That's kind of what it's all about. Has he got the wrong retainers?
He's got honeycomb ones. What's it,
No. It should have been here. Right here. You got locators. Oh, he's got no. Okay, so here, let's do this.
What's that used big block for? Just out of curiosity. Sorry.
It's okay. Try this here. If you want. Yeah, that's a touch. He might have a touch.
Say that one.
Well, this is. Bye.